All right, if you wear glasses, you know this feeling. You step inside on a cold day and bam, your entire world just vanishes behind a frustrating blur. So today we're going to break down the science behind why your glasses are constantly fogging up.
It happens in a split second, right? You're just walking into a warm building from the freezing cold, and suddenly you can't see a thing. So what is actually going on here? Well, it turns out it's a pretty simple everyday science experiment happening right on your face.
For just a few moments, everything disappears behind this milky haze. It's an experience so common that we barely even think about the fascinating science behind it. So let's go ahead and meet the culprit.
Okay, so what's the real villain in this story? I promise you, it's not a smudge you missed or some kind of flaw in your lenses. Nope, it's a fundamental scientific process that's happening all around us all the time.
The culprit, it all comes down to one word: condensation. And yeah, it's the exact same process that puts dew on the grass in the morning and forms clouds up in the sky. Your glasses aren't dirty, they're just the perfect stage for a little bit of atmospheric science to play out.
So how does this actually work? Let's break down the physics that are happening right there on the bridge of your nose.
It really is this simple. The whole thing boils down to a super basic formula. When warm, moisture-filled air hits a cold surface, it's forced to release that moisture. And in this case, your glasses are that cold surface, and the moisture has nowhere to go but directly onto the lenses. And what's crazy is just how fast this all happens. Your cold lenses act like a magnet for the moisture in the warm air. The air that's touching them cools down so rapidly that it just can't hold on to its water vapor anymore. It has to release it, and it does so as millions of microscopic droplets. And that is the fog you see.
You know, there's actually a scientific term for this. It's called the dew point. Just think of it like the temperature tipping point. The moment your cold lenses cool the air around them down to its dew point, that air becomes totally saturated and have to release its water vapor as liquid.
A perfect real-world example of this is your bathroom mirror after a hot shower. The warm, steamy air hits the cooler mirror and instantly fogs it up. It is the exact same science happening on your glasses, just on a much smaller scale.
Okay, so we understand the why now. Let's talk about the how. How can we fight back against the laws of physics? Well, here are a few practical tools for your anti-fog toolkit.
You've got a few great strategies. Anti-fog sprays create this invisible barrier that stops the droplets from ever forming. You know, a simple wash with soapy water does something similar. It leaves behind a thin film that reduces the water's surface tension, preventing fog. And hey, for a more permanent fix, you can always get an anti-fog coating on your next pair of lenses.
And of course, we have to talk about the face mask problem. Your warm breath is the culprit here, so the whole goal is to redirect it. The best method is to make sure your mask has a really snug fit across the bridge of your nose. This forces the air out the sides, away from your lenses. So here's the key takeaway. What feels like just a simple annoyance is actually a fantastic, real-time demonstration of physics in action. Let's kind of reframe how we see this everyday inconvenience.
So, let's recap. The fog is just water caused by a simple change in temperature and humidity. It's temporary and it's totally harmless. But most importantly, it means your glasses aren't malfunctioning. They're just perfectly obeying the laws of physics.
And I absolutely love this perspective. The next time your vision blurs, just remember you're not a victim of faulty eyewear. You're getting a front row seat to a perfect science experiment. It really does shift the experience from frustrating to pretty fascinating. So the next time the world fogs over, just take a moment to appreciate the elegant physics at play. It's a simple, predictable process. Cold meets warm, and science does the rest. Thanks for tuning in.